Good morning, you guys. Today I just wanted to film a super chill, relaxing morning routine and just bring you guys with me on my Sunday morning. I have been trying so hard to make my bed first thing in the morning, and I know it's so cliche, but it really does make me feel better. I've been washing my hair so much less, and I've been doing these oil treatments once a week, and that's why my hair looks so greasy in this. I promise it's not gross, it's just oil or oil treatment. You guys constantly ask what products I use in my hair to keep it long and like semi-healthy, so I just thought I would throw in these like clips showing what products I use, and then also other products that I use when I'm in the shower. I don't know if you're interested or in the market for some new hygiene products. I just thought it would be cuter to see like an aesthetic visual representation than me sitting there and like rambling on forever about each and every single product because I don't know when to stop talking. LOL, I literally just said I wasn't gonna ramble on about the products that I use, but trust me, these products that I put in my hair after I shower have been my lifesaver. I've talked about these in other videos, but Olaplex and Lanza are my favorite hair care like brands. Absolutely love them. You guys just saw me. I made my breakfast, eggs and toast. I haven't had eggs and toast in a while, and I used to make it all the time, and that's why I decided to. It's currently 10:33. I woke up this morning at like 8:30, so it kind of took me a while to shower and like get ready for my day, and like I don't even know what I did. I'm finally ready to eat, and this toast is so perfect. I'm upstairs now. I finished eating and I came upstairs and opened my blinds, and all of the snow melted, which is actually crazy because we had like a decent amount. I recently bought this plant and I actually like killed it. All the leaves are falling off. Oops. Okay, I cleaned up that little mess, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of clean up the rest of my room because it is like a little messy. Hey you guys, I cannot do this anymore. I literally, every time I edit a video, I have some astronomical issue with it, and it is so difficult to deal with. I stayed up pretty late last night and edited pretty much an entire video in like 4 or 5 hours. I was flying through it so fast. I was feeling so like motivated, and I was having such a good time editing this video. I just opened it up today, and the complete like second half of it, which was like 10 minutes long, is completely gone. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna do my makeup just because I want to go take Instagram pictures today. I don't know if I'm gonna have anybody to take them for me, so I might have to take them myself, but I don't really know, like, where I live it's so ugly. While I was kind of cleaning my room up earlier, I was cleaning like my vanity like surface, and I literally sprayed cleaning solution into my eye. It was like a thing where you hold it down and it like it sprays it in a strong mist. Like, it was facing the wrong way, and it went straight into my eye, and then my eye was like burning, and now it like won't open all the way, and it still kind of feels a little weird. It's almost 1 o'clock, and I'm not really sure if I want to continue this video like all day, or if I just truly want to make it like my morning routine, even though it's not morning anymore. You know those days where you just really don't feel like your best self? Most of mine come from being pale, which is really tough because the UV index where I live is going to be 0 for a really long time. There's nothing I can do about it, so... Hey everybody, I finished my makeup and I kind of straightened my hair a little bit and just threw in like my little curtain pieces because they were like sticking straight like at the... I changed because I decided I'm going to take Instagram pictures because it's been way too long since I've gotten cute ones. Here is the outfit. It's a little bit different. I feel very put together. I think it's super cute. I don't know for sure how I feel about the cross right here. I might remove that. Do I remove it? I don't know what's cuter. I can't decide if I like it better with or without the cross, but these leather brown pants are from Princess Polly. However, if you're gonna get them, I recommend sizing up because they are way too small on me and too short. And then my black top is from Princess Polly. Can y'all tell I love Princess Polly? This little jacket is thrifted. These boots are from Target. I don't know. Do I like it or no? I can't decide. You know, we'll see. Okay, I actually just changed my jacket. I like this one better, I think. It's a little bit of a different color, and it's a little bit longer, so it kind of covers my butt more, which I wanted because these pants are too tight. Cute, right? Or do I hate it? I can't tell if I like it or I hate it, so I think I'm just gonna go with it. These pants are so loud. It's like 20 degrees out though, so I'm gonna need a coat. I'm gonna need a coat. I guess since I'm all ready, my morning routine is kind of done. I forgot my lip gloss. Since I'm all ready now, and although it is currently 2 o'clock, I'm ready to start my day. I guess that concludes the morning routine, kind of. I don't know, just like beginning of the day routine. We'll call it that. Anyways, I'm gonna go take Instagram pictures and probably get some lunch somewhere. I'm not really sure completely what's completely on the agenda yet, but we'll kind of just see. Lately, I have been just comparing the heck out of myself, like not to other people, but to like myself previously, like my past self. I don't know. I'm not at like my highest point in life right now, so it's hard to like not look back and be like, why can't I be like that again, or like why can't I do that again? Like, personal growth is not a straight line. You're gonna get this, okay? You're gonna get that. So if you've kind of been in the same boat and you just feel like your life is kind of falling apart and you are not as good as you used to be in like aspects of your life, you're not alone, and we're all gonna get through it, and we're gonna be up on the rise again. So just be patient. I love you.